Hi everyone, my name's Rosie from the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. In this video, I'll be demonstrating shoulder external rotation. And the purpose of this exercise is to help stabilise the shoulder. And that's where you'll feel it, on the outside of your shoulder. I'll show a few different options in this video, so pick one that's right for you. And there is a disclaimer on our website, so please take a look at that before you begin. And if you have any questions, you can email ace@ucalgary.ca. So for this exercise, you will need a resistance band, and I'm going to perform this exercise kneeling, but you can also do this seated or standing. I'm going to take an underhand grip of the resistance band, and I'm going to bring my elbows into my sides and have a 90-degree bend at the elbow. I'm also going to come into shoulder retraction. So to do that, I'm going to take a nice big shoulder roll backwards until my shoulders are pulled back and down. So I'm going to do this exercise on my right hand side to begin with, which means my left hand side will just be the anchor point for the resistance band. So I'm going to externally rotate on the right hand side and control the movement in both directions. I'm going to switch to the other side. Now this exercise is really important for maintaining healthy rotator cuff muscles, and also for helping optimise shoulder mechanics to support other movements that you'll do as part of this programme. Now you want to do 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. Now to make this exercise a little bit more challenging, you can use a more challenging resistance band. You can also bring your hands closer together, which will increase the resistance on the band. And lastly, you can do both shoulders at the same time. So for this, come into your nice starting position, and you're going to externally rotate in both directions and control the release. And again, you're aiming for 10 to 15 repetitions. And that's shoulder external rotation.